Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I was all prepared to do a video today, and I started seeing stuff, and I started looking, and I just really got overwhelmed, and I guess I want to try to really capture it and be in the moment, 'cause that's kind of the whole point of this experience. But I want you guys to really know, and let me show you what I'm seeing today. And so I've been noticing this uptick. So let's just call this a fluke. Let's call this uptick. My views per hour have just been shooting through the roof. And I don't spend a lot of time on here. I spend a lot, but I don't spend as much as I want to, because I really I'm a nerdy guy. But I thought I would take a second and look, and this is what I really want to show you guys, this right here. So I started getting suggestions and comments from you guys for my channel. This is why this is such a big deal to me, because if you guys have helped my channel grow for you, and that's a big deal to me. So I was getting feedback, got it a while ago, didn't really grasp what it was saying, but then somebody articulated it a little clearer, because I'm slow, and then somebody really took the time and sent some links. I mean, you guys spend so much time giving me feedback, because you guys are thanking me for this, but you guys have no idea how much you're helping me and helping me do better, and really just keeping me going. So you're telling me thank you. The thanks is tenfold back to you guys. But all right, this is really what I want to show you. This right here, the views from this playlist. So let's just look right here. This is showing how much volume. So let's zoom in so you can really see this. Let's do scene. So all right, here it is right here, so you can see it. 77 starts, total of 208 views, for a total of 793 minutes. I think this playlist has only been around for a month, maybe, and you can just see these spikes, and this is because of you. Has nothing to do with, let's go back out, has nothing to do with me. That is, here, you can see it, and let's see if we put the total. So people are coming here because of you guys and watching this channel. I made the videos, whoop-de-doo, but nobody was looking at them. You guys are sharing, commenting, because every time you guys view and leave a comment, that ticks my stuff up. That puts it higher on the search. And then when you guys are giving me this feedback, so I was just kind of a little overwhelmed today, and didn't think I'd be able to focus on the video, and I really thought it'd be a good idea to do this in the moment. But you guys are really, thank you. I wish I was more articulate, but I'm not. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. I really needed this today. So thank you. Stay tuned. We'll pick back up tomorrow, doing part 2. I was messing around with it. We might actually do part 3 of itertools group by, because really came up with some really cool examples. So all right, as always, thank you for watching. Seriously, thank you. Thank you for the comments. Thank you for all the awesome support. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.